Okay, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your campaign. When you first log into Priceline, you're going to end up here on the home page. Okay, so here on the home page, you can see your campaign trends once you've set up your campaigns. They have other widgets you can add. We've also got our alerts widget here. There's a welcome message you can look at. Also, it says no payment method. That's one thing you'll need to do is set up your payment method. You can click on this link to do so. Then up here we have other tabs. We've got campaigns, accounts and billing, reports is where you go check out your reports. And then you can also import keywords and ads from Google Adwords. So the home page is cool, but it's not really where we want to be. We want to be here on campaigns. So let's click on campaigns. All right. And it says none of your ads are running because you haven't set up a payment method for this account. Or there's a problem with the current payment method. So that's the alert you'll get when you first start your account. You need to make sure you set that payment method up. But also I haven't created a campaign yet. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to come down here, make sure you're on the right account, and then click Create Campaign. All right. So here we are at Create Campaign. So the first thing we want to do is come in and name our campaign. So let's say that we own a website that promotes discount travel. Well, what we want to do is, let's say we're promoting discount travel, but we're promoting discount rental cars, discount hotels, and discount plane fare or plane tickets. So for this particular ad, let's say we just want to focus on the discount hotels. So maybe we'll call this campaign, discount hotel. We'll have 3 different ads running, but this one's going to focus on the discount hotels, okay? So we also need to set our time zone, okay? So I'm in Pacific time, so I'll go ahead and leave that the way it is. And then our campaign budget. So you can set your campaign budget on a daily basis or a monthly, okay? So let's say we have $25 a day. It doesn't necessarily mean you're going to spend $25 a day, but you won't go over $25 a day. Rather, you won't go over $25 a day times 30, which is going to give you your monthly amount. You won't go over that. So some days you may go over $25. So don't freak out if that happens, but you'll never go over that amount per month. So if we've set our budget for $25 a day, if we multiply that by 30.4, which is the average months, we get $760 per month. And you'll never go over $760 per month. That's basically how it works. So you come down here, you click your language. I'm going to leave mine at English. Up here at daily budget options as well, you can also click standard or accelerated. This is more of an advanced method, so let's just leave it at standard for now. Choose your locations you want to include or exclude. We're just going to keep the United States here. And then we're going to come down and we're actually going to create our ad. So right now you can do text ad or WAP mobile ad. Let's leave it at text ad. And we need to come up with a title for our ad. So a couple of things to remember. You want your title to be compelling. A lot of times if you ask a question, that can be compelling to get people to click. You also want to make sure you capitalize every word in the title. Okay. And you also sometimes want to leave the keyword in the title, or at least you want to use the benefit in the title. Okay, either the benefit they're going to get or the keyword. Either way. So one ad I've seen that Priceline runs a lot is the titles want to get away. Okay, so we could just say want to get away. How about want to get away? Question mark. Okay, so now we're asking a question. And we're also talking about the benefit, getting away. Okay, so we're not necessarily using the keyword, although if we do some keyword research, we may find get away as a keyword that people type in. The ad text is mainly going to describe, what they're getting. Okay, so here we could just say, last day for discount. And since we're running hotels, this is our hotel ad. We'll say hotel. Okay. Then down here on the display URL, this is going to be the website that we want to send people to. And they're going to see this. So it's going to be in the ad. So here in the display URL, we could just say, let's say you have a website called Obviously, this isn't my website. This would be a great website to have, though. Discounttravel.com. Okay, so let's say that's my domain, discounttravel.com. Down here in the destination URL, when we click this, it's automatically going to fill that in. But you don't necessarily have to use this. I mean, you have to use this domain. But let's say that you have a website where you've got different landing pages. Okay, so this is our overall website. Maybe it's a blog that just talks about discount travel. Then let's say we have different landing pages for hotel, rent-a-car, planes, all that. So let's say our landing page for this is discounttravel.com/hotel. Okay, because we want to keep all this separate for tracking purposes. We can do that. That's fine. You can say discounttravel.com/hotel. You can have various subdirectories in the destination URL. They're not going to see the destination URL. They're only going to see your main URL here. Okay, so discounttravel.com. But either way, they're going to go here, but they're going to go to our landing page for hotel. Okay, so that's a good way to keep everything separate, but also stay within the guidelines of being ads. So then we're going to come down here to bid type. For now, let's just keep it on keywords. We need to enter at least one keyword before we can save this. So just go ahead and enter just a keyword. Maybe for this would be something like cheap travel. Okay, people always want to know about cheap travel. So keep that in there. Add that. All right. And then from here, what we want to do is just come down and click save. Once we click save, there's going to be some other things we'll do. But for now, let's go ahead and click save, and then we'll move on to the next phase.